The ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System is the innovative cloud computing platform designed to monitor, optimize, control, and predict electrical systems. It is built on a state-of-the-art cloud architecture for data collection, processing, and storage, developed together with Microsoft and an expert partner on IT security to guarantee the most advanced solution in terms of cybersecurity and platform reliability. Through a compelling web app interface, the ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System assists anytime and anywhere via smartphone, tablet, or personal computer. On the Welcome page, you have the left-hand column where all the connected plants are available, in addition to a search tab. In the top right corner, profile information and settings are available. A dedicated notification center to manage alerts and plant invitations is available here too. Thanks to geolocation tagging, on the map you can see the positions of all the connected plants at a glance. By clicking the tag, you can get direct access to the plant's information. At the bottom side of this page, you can save a list of favorite plants. A brief overview of plant conditions is available, with such information as power demand, user profile, monthly total energy, and connected devices. The ABB Ability EDCS dashboard provides you with an entry-level energy management solution based on pre-configured widgets. Single or multi-site information is processed to display energy consumption and on-site power generation trends. The ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System is composed of 4 features. Monitor, to discover plant performance, supervise the electrical system and allocate costs. Optimize, to analyze the relevant information, improve the use of your assets, and make the right business decision. Control, to set up alerts and notify key personnel, and to remotely implement an effective power management strategy to achieve energy savings in a simple way. And Predict, to supervise the system's health condition and predict the next maintenance actions. Featuring high scalability of services and great flexibility of application, the ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System has been designed for end users, facility managers, consultants, and panel builders. Get load knowledge at a glance, from the main feeder all the way down to the lowest consumption branch of the electrical system. You can acquire a deep knowledge of the electrical performance through supervision of real-time power demand, peak trends, and power factor and power quality information. A flexible dashboard architecture lets you position the widget where you want it on the page. It's possible to add up to 20 widgets per page, and additional dashboards have all the parameters under control. The Assets tab enables simplified and enhanced management of your low-voltage power distribution system. You are able to create a sketch or overview of the assets and link it to its digital twin. Further, you can upload custom diagrams, photos, technical drawings of switchboards and plant synoptic panels. As in the social media world, these images can be made interactive through tags and markers. You now can access, at any time, all the information you need for the devices monitored. The Group tab allows you to aggregate data from different devices belonging to the same plant's area or production line to have quick access to the most relevant information. You also can set the energy contribution to better control the energy data. The ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System lays bare all the relevant information at a glance, putting into your hands the simplest tools to maximize reliability and efficiency. Analytic enables the collection and export of data and historical trends via on-demand query or automatic report scheduling. You can achieve full knowledge of the electrical systems to set effective benchmarks and compare them with best practices. ABB Ability EDCS Analytic simplifies and enhances the analysis of power factor compensation, energy management, and cost allocation. By leveraging a comprehensive collection of data at the single or multi-site level, making the right decisions is made easier than ever. The Electrical Distribution Control System supports you in identifying room for improvement in your plants. The Alert Center provides you with a plant watchdog You can customize alert settings to suit your needs and intervention plan. Moreover, you can prompt key personnel to take swift action at any time. Notifications are sent to the chosen recipients via text messages and/or email. In this way, the ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System makes it possible to check up on electrical systems at any time, identify abnormal operations, and proactively restore performance. The ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System lets you optimize operating conditions by enabling them to move from a routine schedule basis to real needs-based maintenance. The ABB Predictive Maintenance Algorithm, available for Emacs 2 and eKIP Up, makes maintenance smarter, quicker, and less expensive by allowing you to remotely monitor power system health, and it provides a predictive maintenance analysis so that service is only performed when necessary. The analysis takes into consideration different key factors, such as the number of mechanical operations, nominal current, overloads and short circuits, and such environmental conditions as humidity, temperature, vibration, and corrosion. This cloud-based solution significantly reduces the risk of unplanned shutdowns and thus maximizes service continuity, makes management simpler, and cuts investment costs. In this section of the web app, you have the access to and control of the general plant parameters, such as address and plant typology, the ability to create a dedicated cost plan according to contractual power, managing your profiles and access, inserting reference contact information for maintenance, environmental data, managing subscriptions and add-ons, the web app event log. ABB Ability Electrical Distribution Control System. Understanding power.